In Igbo language, in-law is generally called ogo. But do you know that what a husband calls his in-laws is different from what a wife calls hers? Let's look at it. A husband calls his father-in-law and brother-in-law ogom nwoke. He calls his mother-in-law and sister-in-law ogom nwanyi. But a wife does not call them ogom. Instead, she calls her father-in-law nnadim, her mother-in-law nnedim, and her brother or sister-in-law nwannedim or nwadim. You may be wondering why an Igbo wife does not call her in-laws ogom. This is because in Igbo culture, a woman traditionally shows respect by identifying herself through her husband's lineage. She becomes part of her husband's family and so cannot see them as in-laws.